Hey guys, it's Mackenzie and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week usually. So thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to make a pom-pom skirt. So it is a Christmas material, of course, and it's see-through and it's got these pom-poms all in it. It's just such a fun skirt and I love it. And I'm gonna wear leggings underneath it so that way you won't be able to see through it. And this print was really cheap at Joann. I think it was like under $3 a yard. And I got the pom-poms from Dollar Tree. So overall it was probably about under $10, which is really cheap for this. You can pick whatever material you want to use as long as it's see-through. It should be fine. So this video is a Christmas theme video, and like I said, I wanted to do Christmas videos the whole month of December, so I'm super excited about it because I love Christmas, and actually I love all holidays, but Christmas is just so much fun and there's just so much to do around this time of the year. And so I'm really excited to show you guys all the Christmas videos that are going to be coming up. So let's go ahead and get started. For this pom-pom skirt, I got 2 yards of this material and it is available at Joann. I got all of the pom-poms from Dollar Tree, and then I got elastic and scissors, and you will also need a sewing machine unless you want to sew it by hand. Now I'm taking my material and I'm going to fold it long ways, and I am going to cut off some of the top because it is going to be too long. Now what I'm doing is I am pinning the top of the skirt, and then I will sew it after I get done pinning it so I can put my elastic in. After you sew the top of your skirt, it's time to put your elastic in. So what I like to do is put a safety pin on the end and then go ahead and push it through. Now take your elastic and pin it together temporarily. Now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and start putting the pom-poms inside the skirt. Now take the side of the skirt and pin it together and then sew it. Cut off any excess fabric, and I'm going to be using pinking shears for this so that way it won't fray as bad. And you're all done with your pom-pom skirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making this. Let me know if you guys decide to make this skirt. I would love to hear about it.